Again, my name is Cullen Savignac, and I am Chief Operating Officer and co-founder of RE-X3. Our team consists of yours truly, COO, Jay Savignac, CEO and my father, and Wayne Wong, our manufacturing specialist, as well as a great team of advisors, William Dugan and David G. from Launchpad, and Sarah Amiri, an entrepreneur herself and financial expert who also happens to fit our target market. Through our research, we have identified our market as on-the-go, white-collar women, and we have found that there are 19 million women in the U.S. in a professional or related occupation. We also believe we have a secondary market in the travel industry. We aim to solve the problem of deodorant marks, makeup smudges, lint, and stains. Our solution is a 3-in-1 tool we call RE-X3. Here you can see the mark remover, stain remover, and lint remover. Here you can see RE-X3 in use, removing a deodorant mark, lifting a tough stain, and finally removing any unwanted lint. Now I know what you're all wondering, and the answer is yes. We have a patent. We are currently protected by a provisional patent, and utility patent is in the drafting stages. We observe 3 types of competition: mark removers, stain removers, and travel lint removers. You can see examples on the side of the screen, and if a consumer would go out and purchase these 3 products, they'd pay $19.97 plus shipping and handling. RE-X3 saves time, space, and money by combining all 3 products into one. We have not found any competitors that combine the 3 features the way we do, and the product is designed ergonomically for on-the-go and travel use. If a consumer were to go to our website and make a purchase for RE-X3, they'd pay $19.95. Soon after launch, we intend to add 2 additional streams of revenue. First, the lint roller refills, and second, the stain removing pen refills. And of course, in the near future, we hope to add even more innovations to the personal care industry. Initial sales will be through our search-optimized e-commerce website. We plan to take advantage of Google AdWords, optimize social media campaigns, and influential blog posts for customer review and product review and customer testimonial. We have set a goal for ourselves to set up 3 lines of distribution within the first year of production. The graph behind me demonstrates the first 3 years of revenue. Based on a landed cost of $2.50, a retail price of $19.95, and a rough estimate that shipping to our consumers will be about 25% of revenues, we expect to see $41,000 in our first year. Based on the growth of distribution, we expect to see $68,000 in our second year and $239,000 in our third year. As you can see, the project has been underway since late 2013. Since we received our patent in 2015, we've been working hard to create a strong marketing campaign and nail out the manufacturing details so that we are ready to launch in September of this year. As you can see, we have bootstrapped the company to this point, and we're not currently seeking investment. Next time you're on the go, remember RE-X3, putting confidence back in your appearance. Are there any questions? That's a good question. I do not actually know the answer to that. I can get back to you on that, though.
So given that you identified other revenue streams of selling like a new reloaded
Replacements, yeah.
So is the goal to primarily sell one to each person that needs it, and then they'll return to you for that, or?
So 1 unit, as in the RE-X3, and then refills, yes.
Do you have numbers on your cost, or and what you intend to sell those for?
Yes, so the pens are still, we're nailing out the details on the pens. The rollers are about 50 cents for the 2-pack. It'll be about a 2-pack.
So have you done some customer discovery, customer interviews with your target market? I
have, yep.
And has that led you to understand a little bit about, so you have a 3-in-1.
Mm-hmm.
Is the issue really with what the stain remover can do or what the lint remover can do? Is the opportunity the fact that you have a 3-in-1? What kind of feedback have you been getting about which one of the 3 is most important, or is it the fact that it's a 3-in-1?
I think, based on what I've heard so far, the 3-in-1 is what really gets people excited. It varies a little bit person to person. The mark remover gets a lot of people excited, and now that we've added the stain removing pen, that's kind of the icing on the cake that everyone goes, aha, I like that.
And it's the opportunity, the convenience of carrying around with you. Because I can imagine at home, you have a lint, you have a stain remover, you have all those things. So it's the convenience of carrying it around with you.
Yeah, it is definitely targeted for on-the-go use, and to get you out of that pinch when you're rushing into a meeting or whatever, and you realize, darn it, I have a mark. Gets you out of the pinch.
During your customer interviews, did you triangulate on what the value is, perceived value is to your potential customer of that 3-in-1? Because basically you're charging the same exact amount that someone would have to pay to buy all 3 pieces. How much is that? If the problem that you're solving is really the convenience factor, because all these other pieces already exist, so that problem's been solved. So you're just solving for convenience. How much is that convenience worth? And does that mean that you have better pricing power with the convenience?
Okay, yeah, I think the majority of what people have said is that they would pay the range of $15 to $20 for this product. And that is based on the discovery I've done so far.
So at the high end, they'd be willing to pay basically what they pay for the 3 individuals, but then they're saying they pay 15, even though buying all 3 of these independently
Correct.
would be 19.
Correct, and that's what I've heard so far. They're not seeing the value in the convenience. They're thinking, I'm just gonna go out and I can buy them all separately for the same price. But they're getting the extra.
So you really need to explore that then, because if they're not seeing the value of convenience, and that's kind of what you're
I need to learn how to market it.
Yeah.